having this and these two, you're good to go. Like, if your skin used to be flaky, used to be dry, used to be dull, used to look crazy, this is just what you need. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome back. If you are just stopping by for the very first time, like you've seen my face for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Here we do skincare videos, we do reviews on skincare products, we do DIY, we do anti-aging, we glow our skin. We are obsessed about beautiful skin. And if you are somebody like me who loves to glow their skin, who loves to have a beautiful skin, but don't want to break the bank, then you are definitely at the right place. Please confirm your attendance here by subscribing to this channel. Click on the subscription button, and please, when you click, don't forget to click on the bell button as well, so you can be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video, and you will come up here and watch so you don't miss out on anything. So today I want to do a review on a product. This product is for everybody. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. It has nothing to do with skin lightening. It has nothing to do with skin bleaching. No harsh chemicals. It's safe for anybody, the young, the old, the youth, whichever person, whoever wants to use it, you're free to use it. So now this is you might not see it well, but this is Vaseline. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Coco Glow. I love to do brands like this, or to choose products from brands like this, because they are quite common. Products from brands like this are common, so they are accessible. People can see it. If you're in Africa, I assure you, you can see this product. If you're in Europe, if you're in America, you can see this product. If you're in Asia, you're Australia, wherever you are, it's pretty much everywhere in the world. Like, it's very common. I say it's very common because I lived in Norway before, and Norway is a country where sometimes you find difficulties to see many skincare products that I see online. I don't see them in Norway, but this particular product like this was in Norway. So if I could see it in Norway, then I'm pretty much sure everywhere has this product. So that's why I decided to try this product and come out here to talk to you about it. So this is the Coco Glow, and it's very affordable with very amazing ingredients that are not going to destroy your skin, that are just very necessary for your skin and very soothing to the skin. This product doesn't promise to give you any stretch marks, and it doesn't really give you any stretch marks. This product is not a bleaching product. If you're bleaching your skin, you can use this product on the days where you're not using your bleaching cream or your lightening cream. If you are light skin, you can use this product. If you are dark skin, and there's no way you're going to come and say this product made me dark. Like, I used to see comments like that on some channels, not on my channel anyway. On some channels, some people will say, you reviewed this moisturizer, it was nice, you said it was nice, and I used it and I became dark. If you're using bleaching cream, there's no way this thing is going to make you dark. If you're already dark skinned person, it's not going to make you look darker. But if you're somebody who is light skin, thanks to bleaching creams or lightening creams, and then you switch, you go and start using this product every day 247, or you want to use this to replace your lightening product, you're definitely going to get dark. And it's not the fault of this product. This product has nothing to do with it. You're simply going back to your original skin tone because you are no more using lightening products. But if you are using lightening products and you want to use this, you're using this on the days where you have breaks, where you are not using bleaching products. And if you are not using lightening products at all, you can use this every day for an amazing glowing skin. Like, I made a review on the Coco Radiant in the past, and I've come to realize that the Coco Radiant and this one basically do the same thing. There's no big difference. I would say the only difference is that this one contains both cocoa butter and shea butter, but the Coco Radiant contains just one. I think the Coco Radiant was just cocoa butter, but this one, in the list of ingredients, it has both cocoa butter and shea butter. So one would say this one is better because it has the two ingredients which are very powerful ingredients in the skincare. Cocoa butter, shea butter are very powerful. packed full of antioxidants. They can really help to clear your skin of eczema. Not, is it eczema? Yes, eczema, as in dryness. They can help with stretch marks, flaky skin, dull skin. You understand? If your skin is looking crazy, you're not happy with your skin, you can go check this product. And then maybe you might be asking, why, if I'm saying this product and the other product are almost the same, why am I making a review on this product? I'm making a review on this product just to create awareness, because there are some people who might have seen this product, who watched the Coco Radiant video and have seen this product and feel that because it's not Coco Radiant, they cannot use it. Now I'm here to tell you that if you live in a place where you haven't seen Coco, you have not seen Coco Radiance, but you have seen Coco Glow, go ahead and use it. It's going to do you, I think, almost just the same thing. Now this is how the lotion looks. This is it. In terms of smell, it smells very much like, I would say it smells exactly like Coco Radiant, honestly. And then this is the consistency. In terms of consistency, I feel, in my opinion, I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I stand to be corrected. This one is a little bit runny. It's a little bit lighter in consistency than the Coco Radiant. That is to say, if you have a normal skin, you have an oily skin, it's okay for you to use this, because it's not greasy. You can see my hand. It's not greasy, and it's not tacky. It's not tacky. Like, it feels good to the skin, on the skin. It feels very good. And I would say, if you are extremely dry, because this is very light, it means the skin absorbs it so fast, and the moisture as well doesn't last for a long time. You can combine these two to have a combo. Those two. Don't pour this into this. If you want to apply it both, you basically use this, put this on the hand, and then add this. Put this on the hand, sorry, rub it on your skin if you're applying on your skin, and then you go ahead with this on top of it. Don't just mix, because they have two different consistencies. I'm not sure how it's going to look if you mix them. So you apply this on your skin first after your shower. You apply this one after your shower on your skin, the skin that is a little bit damp, and then you go ahead with your moisturizer, and that's fine. Go ahead and check a video. I've made a video on this one. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Coco Radiant Body Oil. This one. This is the Coco Radiant Body Oil. Check my channel. There is a video on this oil. Use it, especially if you are living in a cold area during the winter or during Harmattan, when it's very cold and the wind or the weather is stripping off every moisture from your skin. Do this combo and your skin is going to thank you. Like, that simple, that cheap, yet very effective. Your skin is going to thank you. It's going to glow your skin. If you're looking for an instant glow, man, this is the thing. This is it. You can go check the video and watch it, listen to it attentively, and know if you can use it or not, and know which skin type should use it. So this product is very good, very affordable. Anybody can use it. My daughter uses this product sometimes. My daughter, this is not very new. I've used it quite a lot, but it's not completely empty. Yeah, I've used it quite a lot, but it's not completely empty. My husband uses it sometimes. My daughter uses it sometimes. My sons use it. Everybody in the house, we use it sometimes. So that's why you always see me with many moisturizers, because we all use it on our skin as a family. So I like the lotion, I like the fragrance, I like the fact that it doesn't contain harsh ingredients, and it smells good. Even though the fragrance doesn't really linger around for a very long time, but it smells good. It doesn't have an annoying fragrance, and the fragrance is not overpowering. It has a slight it has a slight fragrance of chocolate, probably because of the cocoa butter that is in it. So it has a little bit of chocolate fragrance, but that's okay for me. I don't mind. And that was it for this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, please. If you really enjoy my videos, I would appreciate if you thumbs it up, give it a thumbs up. And then you can check this video on Amazon. This product on Amazon, you can check it on eBay, you can check it around beauty supplies shops around you. You are in America, Walmart is gonna have this, Target is gonna have this, and maybe definitely other beauty supplies shops are gonna have this. If you're in the UK, Boots has this product, and I've also bought it from even just regular Nigerian food shops. They also carry this product. If you are in Africa, check your shops. Just check your shops. If you're anywhere in Zambia, you will see it in ShopRite. ShopRite has this product, and I think Choppies. I think I've seen it at Choppies as well. So just check and then get the products, and then that will be it. So I love you all so much. If you really watch this video to this level, then you are the real champion. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay glowing.